Hey everyone, if you are trying to sign up as DoorDash driver but keep seeing the message DoorDash is not accepting new dashers, don't worry. Today I will share a few tips on how to get around this and improve your chances of joining Let's Dive In. First of all, check back often. DoorDash may reopen applications in your area of demand increases. Try logging in weekly to see if the status has changed. If you are close to another city, try applying there instead. DoorDash may allow you to dash in multiple locations once you are approved, so this can be a good way to get started. If there's a wait list, join it. DoorDash will notify you as soon as spots open up. Make sure make sure your contract info is accurate so you didn't miss out. And that's it. Thanks for watching.